Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can pair your JBL Tune 220 earbuds with any iPhone or iPad. First of all, before the pairing, input both earbuds inside this charging case, charge them for like 20 minutes, and also if you connect them to any device, just disconnect them. Next, you have to open this charging case and you have to simply remove the left and the right earbud. And right now you can take a look for these indicators. In the most cases, they will start blinking on the blue and the white. But in my case, it's not working. It looks like they are still not activated. So how to fix it? Just click and hold on the left and the right together until lights up. Okay, they are power on, and then click and hold on the right one if this indicator not blinking like that. So as you can see in my case, when I power them on manually, this indicator is blinking like pairing mode. But if you have a solid blue light or the white light, just click and hold the right button for 5 seconds until this indicator starts blinking like that. Then put them close to your iOS device, go to the settings, open the Bluetooth, then click on the switcher, and right now from the list select JBL Tune at 220. As you can see right now we are just successfully connected, and that's all for this video. Hope you like it.